This iPhone X came in for front camera not working. It shows green, blank, but the Face ID of this phone is working. Let's check and see. Password, set of Face ID, and yeah, the Face ID is working, but you can see the front camera is not working. It's not showing anything. Let's try and unlock the phone using Face ID once more. Yeah, the Face ID is working. This camera again. Disassemble phone, remove camera. This is the front camera, and put it on holder. Drill, open the shield of the camera. Remove the camera. And got the replacement. Replace the camera. Put it in place. Carefully pushing it into the shield. Now the camera is stuck. I think it's okay now. Yep, it's in place. Couple back camera. Place it on the phone. Put back the connectors and test the Face ID functionality. You can see from the testing that the front camera is working now perfectly and the Face ID functionality is okay. So this is a success.